I am the element phosphorus, and you can find me in group 15 of the periodic table right under nitrogen. You can identify me with my atomic symbol P, and I have an atomic number of 15 and an atomic mass of 30.97. I'm classified as a nonmetal, and I have an electronegativity of 2.19. Phosphorus is sometimes referred to as the devil's element because it was the 13th element discovered and because of its explosive properties. From the periodic table, you can see that I have an atomic number of 15. This means that I have 15 protons inside my nucleus. I also contain 15 electrons around the shells of my atom. I have 2 electrons in the first shell, 8 in the second shell, and only 5 in the third shell. But in order to reach my atomic mass of 30.97, I also contain 60 neutrons inside my nucleus. The electronegativity of group 15 elements decreases down the group. This means that phosphorus is less electronegative than nitrogen. The ionization energy also decreases down the group, so once again phosphorus is less than nitrogen. The atomic radius increases down the group, so this time phosphorus is greater than nitrogen but smaller than arsenic or antimony. The electron affinity also increases down the group, as well as the melting point, boiling point, and metallic character. Here we can see the different elements from group 15 on the periodic table, as well as their atomic symbol, atomic number, electron configuration, and abundancy on Earth. From the chart, you can see that I am the most abundant of our group. Here we can also see my full electron configuration, as well as my quantum numbers. I was first discovered in the form of white phosphorus in 1669 by Henning Brand. As white phosphorus, I'm a white, waxy substance that almost resembles a bar of soap. In this form, I'm extremely poisonous and can cause severe burns when I come into contact with the skin. My name was taken from the Greek mythology, meaning light bearer. I got this name from the faint glow I get when I'm exposed to oxygen. When exposed to oxygen, I will spontaneously become flammable. My tendency to spontaneously combust is one of the reasons why I'm not available in nature on its own. However, I'm still found in many other minerals. The glow of phosphorus is also known as phosphorus chemiluminescence. Though it can be found in many different forms, my two most popular forms are red phosphorus and white phosphorus. However, the two are complete opposites of each other. As red phosphorus, I'm non-toxic, and I have a chain-like structure. I'm more stable and odorless, and I'm in a form of a hard crystalline solid. As red phosphorus, I'm harmless compared to white phosphorus, and I can be safely used in matches. However, as white phosphorus, I am toxic, and I'm largely disconnected due to my toxicity, which means I'm not in a chain-like structure. I have a pungent odor, and I'm a soft, waxy substance that's easily cut as opposed to a hard solid. I was first used in warfare by Britain in World War I. I was used in smoke blankets, tracers, illumination, and incendiary munition. I can be classified as a pnictogen, and that's only one chemical property that makes up me and the other elements in group 15 on the periodic table. I also have a tendency to make double and triple bonds. One of my popular forms, phosphorus trichloride, is commonly used in soaps, detergents, plastics, synthetic rubber nylon, motor oils, insecticides, and herbicides, and phosphoric acid. Diphosphorus pentoxide is yet another one of my forms, and it's a very popular compound typically found in fertilizers and biology as a whole. I am also commonly found in the food industry, used in baking powders, instant cereals, cheeses, the curing of ham, and in the tartness of soft drinks. Here are some characteristics and information about myself. I'm a highly reactive element, like I said before, so I'm not a free element found on Earth like gold. I'm the 11th most abundant element, making up 0.11% of the Earth's crust, and I was first isolated from human urine and bone ash. But don't let me fool you, white phosphorus isn't my only form. I also come in red phosphorus, violet, and black phosphorus. I'm essential for life. The phosphate ion, PO4, are components of DNA, RNA, ATP, and phospholipids, which are used to form cell membranes. Due to the 5 electrons left on the outer shell of my atom, it leaves me with 5 valence electrons. These valence electrons mean that I can form up to 5 covalent bonds as either single, double, or triple bonds with other elements. Here are some examples of the bonding structure for some of my popular compounds, such as the phosphate ion PO4, diphosphorus pentoxide, and phosphorus trichloride.